Hey guys, it's Brent from Dark Force Custom Sabers here again today. I have a new video and an announcement to make to everybody, actually a couple announcements. Really excited about this. So, a couple months back I released my Universal V3 kit, Prewired electronics. You could get a Profi or a Crystal Focus pre-wired up into a chassis and throw it into your hilt. Of course, I only had those available for a certain diameter, 1.25 inches or an inch and a quarter. But I've gotten a lot of requests for both Saberforge fitment and Ultrasabers fitment for the chassis and for the kits. So I'm pleased to announce we now have Ultrasaber chassis and Saberforge chassis, and have a little dummy board in there. Sorry about that. But obviously these aren't the assembled kits, but these are available or will be available shortly on my website and on my Etsy page. You can get these pre-wired with the electronics fully installed in these guys. You just install your switches in, throw it in, retain it into your hilt. You're done. Full electronics, multiple configurations, whatever you want. Let me know and I can help you out with it, or at least try my best. So first off, very excited to announce that Ultrasabers and Saberforge chassis for the Universal kits are now available. So there you have it. Announcement number 2. I am really excited to announce the release of my new hilts that I'm doing a run of, called the Alliant. It's probably one of my personal favorite designs. If you like my other designs, I think you'll really dig this. I hope you guys do. Obviously, I'll have these in a couple of different formats, one being just your standard polished aluminum. There's more pictures. I'll link everything in the description. This one has a transparent red, or kind of like a maroon red, powder coat on the neck with the clean matte black grip. I'll offer those in a weathered format as well, but this is another one with a kind of like a brassy dark copper powder coat in the neck. It's transparent again. Really cool stuff. Really cool. Tons of detail. Personally, one of my favorites, you know, just in terms of weathering and design and stuff. They're really cool. They have these little 3D printed hooks, so if you don't have your blade in, you can just pop it in, put it on your belt hook if you're cosplaying around, or just like to wear your saber out, I guess, whatever. Really cool. They will have removable all-in-one chassis. Empty hilts will come with a chassis, at least, you know, limited stock. I think I have like 6 of those available right now, so if you want to build your own out, you can grab a hilt with a chassis. Again, link is in the description. I'll be offering these in fully built configurations here within the next few weeks. I'm just waiting for a few more parts. But otherwise, yeah, these guys are available right now if anyone is interested. Otherwise, that's all I have for you today. Yeah, we'll talk to you later.